Alright, here we are. I'm here with my Nissan Titan. It has had water in this headlight for probably a couple years now. If you look at it, you can see it's got water in there. You see a lot of vehicles running around with water in one of the headlights, both of the headlights. This light doesn't have any water in it, never has. But this light over here has had water in it. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to get that water out of there. Alright, I've now taken both bulbs out. That's going to give the air some room to move through there and to get that moisture moving out of there. So you can see I moved out the bulb on both sides. You got space for the air to move in and out. Okay, I've now got my daughter's hair dryer braced up in there and blowing. I have the heat off so I don't want to melt anything. Okay, here we are. We've got some moisture moving. Like I mentioned, I've got both of those headlight holes opened up in the back. Got some moisture moved out right here. The moisture's gone. Got some moisture moving out right here. The blow dryer's blowing in from back here. This is my daughter's blow dryer there. It's my daughter's blow dryer. I'm not liking the speed. This has been about probably 10-15 minutes. The blow dryer's been blowing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to warm up the front lens a little bit with the Weiss blow dryer. So I basically just exponentially increase the likelihood that I'm going to get in trouble before this is over. So now I've got both their blow dryers, but this is an important project. So we'll warm up the lens a little bit, just being careful not to overheat it. Alright, it's been blowing for about 45 minutes now. You can see a lot of the moisture's out. Still working on it, but definitely clearing up. I am afraid that some of the moisture may have dropped down into the bottom here and may not want to come out, but once it gets hot again, if it doesn't all come out, then that moisture should rise up again. Alright, this has been running for about 2.5 hours. I got busy doing something else, forgot all about it. It started to rain a little bit, but almost all the moisture is out of the headlight at this point. There's still a little bit up here in the top. Okay, it's been 4.5 hours. I've run the blow dryer under the wheel well. I removed a couple screws out of the wheel well just to get access for the blow dryer, but it's been running for 4.5 hours without heat. I've come out and warmed up the lens a couple times just to evaporate that condensation in there, but it is all gone. There is no condensation in that light. It's all out. Now this condensation got in here years ago. I don't know if it's after I went through a car wash or what, but it doesn't, I don't think the headlight leaks. It just got sucked in at some point, and so I'm confident that this is going to keep the condensation out. And I didn't have to take anything apart. I just turned on the blow dryer to get some air circulating and let it run. Now it looks just like this headlight over here. That headlight's got a bunch of rain on it because it's sprinkling a little bit, but headlight hasn't looked like this for a number of years. Didn't take any work. It was simple other than just giving it some time to circulate the air through.